Okay, well, welcome back. Uh, just another escape from working on the house. I'm on assignment to take our wedding rings to the jewelers out in Folsom, California. Kind of a nice morning for it. It's going to be 100 today, but it's not 100 yet. So anyway, we're taking the scenic route. That's the biker way. Many corners as you can and as long as you can. Yeah, so the weather's been like 105 to 112. It's really hard to be out there working in the sun. Getting too old for that. This is Folsom Dam over here on the left side. Mighty Folsom Dam. Big place. Oh yeah, we got some water out there. Everybody water the grass now. Mow it and water it. Some people never get the point. Got an asshole next door that hasn't turned his sprinklers on in 9 years. Stands around with his thumbs in his pockets. Watches his weeds grow. Yeah, sometimes just like to go out there and kick that kid's ass. Get him to do something. Got a wife that does nothing either. Eats cookies and watches everybody else work all day. This is one of them fat women that watches soap operas all day. You know, plays with her dog and watches soap operas. She doesn't really realize that she's never going to be able to retire. You got to pay into retirement to retire. That means work. Watching everybody else work doesn't really count, you know. I don't know. Just can't help people like that. This is mighty Folsom Prison on the right side. Really fun place. I used to drive big rigs in there and deliver food and stuff on their dock. Work with a bunch of really friendly people. Folsom Cop Shop. Don't speed through here. I always like coming to Folsom. Still got that little town feeling to it. This is kind of the newer end of town. Here's McDonald's, where you can spend 20 bucks for one burger, one fries, and one soft drink. So yeah, I shot another video recently. I went to Taco Bell to see how much their tacos were. That'll be coming up. Should have known when you pay kids 20 bucks an hour to flip a burger or make a taco. What do you think's going to happen to the prices? This guy's having a ball here. Bet he's got red boxers on. Run, dude. There's Rogers Jewelers. Let's go, man. I got another route planned for the trip home. It'll be totally different. These guys just opened at 10 o'clock. 5 minutes ago. And the parking lot's full. I think I'll cut the camera off here. They're not too exciting inside. So guys, catch you on the next one. Peace out.